everyone, kamusta? My name is Shayo and welcome back to my channel. You know, when I was still in college, I started working for my aunt who is an entrepreneur. She always told me that I can do something and I can challenge myself to actually do a lot more. So back in college, I also worked for Starbucks as a barista. And I always remember seeing my customers coming in at night and ordering their cup of coffee because they're going to start their work in the call center. And my cousins frequently visit having their team buildings, and I can see that it's a good industry to start or begin a good career. So when I moved to Manila, even if I wasn't really done with my college yet, I had one pending unit to pass. I already started my career in the call center even when my mom doesn't want it yet. Looking back, I remember the recruiter telling me that my typing skills is really good. And I'm gonna show you in this video how you can improve your typing skills and have a higher chance to ace your interview in the call center industry. So I hope you watch this video and you learn to improve your skills with me. So how do you really improve on your typing skills? Here's an easy one. You just go to Google. Let me share this to you because it's a very fancy way to improve on your skills. And I think that it's something that anyone can really do on their own time. So from Google, you can just type in typing speed and accuracy. And you can choose the first one from this one. From this one, let's choose the first result. And there we go. What's nice about this site is that you can choose 1 to 2 minutes to 5 minutes or 10 typing tests. So you can choose any of these tests for you to try your skills. So let me choose a 2-minute typing test on a medium, and I can try it now. 8 equal pieces. Here's the list. There we go. There we go. I'm done with my result, and it says my typing speed is at 63 words per minute, accuracy about 100%, and adjusted speed at 63 words per minute. Now, what does this tell us? So if we know, let me just stop that. So if we know our typing test, we can also know what the call centers are actually requiring. So I asked with my good friend from Cognizant. She's a HR manager, and she says that a typical 38 words per minute would be ideal for a starter or for a candidate. Now, if ever you still have a lower score than this, that is something that you can improve on. Skills are definitely something that we can improve with practice. These are some 3 things that I can share on how you can improve also your typing skills. Number 1, no jeje text. Sa totoo lang, if you want to improve on your typing skills, learn to type full words on text messages or even messages on your Facebook Messenger. This way, you can really have an exposure on the right use of words and also on the correct spelling. Second one, which I also mentioned a while back, is to really practice. Now, if you are at a lower score than 38 words per minute, then there's something for you to do. If you want to learn more, you can definitely grab your laptop. It will really challenge you on the proper way to put your fingers on. And that is the reason why F and J has indents on the keyboard, because that's how the fingers should actually be positioned. And number 3 is to really challenge yourself. You need to make sure that you can improve on your skills maybe on a weekly basis. So for example, you are running on a 20 words per minute this week. Maybe you can challenge yourself next week to a 23 words per minute. And then moving on would be reaching the target, which is 38. This way, it gives you a smart objective and a smart goal on how you can help yourself. So from 20, you don't want to reach 100 words per minute. That is not really an ideal way to go, but to really challenge yourself the right way as well. Now, taking this simple way to improve on yourself will really help you out in improving your skills. And hopefully that you can land your job in the call center industry. I have good memories working in the call center, and I definitely improved a lot of my skills in the call center as well. So working for the call center is nothing bad. Aside from typing skills, there's a lot more that we need to talk about, but that will require another video moving forward. I'll be asking a lot of friends from the call center industry as well, who have grown their career in the industry. So that would be fun. I hope that this video is helpful to you. If it did, I hope that you can click on like and subscribe to my channel. Again, my name is Ryo, and I'll see you on the next clip. Bye-bye.